What's going on, folks? Your Weekend Gardener. We're back here for another fruit taste test. And we went to the Mercado to pick this fruit up. And guess what? I had nothing to do with it because usually I will go pick out the fruit. And then when I come back, I show it to her. And then we taste test it. This time, it's the opposite. She picked it out. And it's going to be my first time tasting this. Have you ever had this before?
No, I never had this before.
I have. I've kind of.
First time.
I'm not sure if I've seen this before. What is it called?
This is called Kino, African Kino.
Kino.
Kino, yes.
So it's I think it's also called Pepino Africano.
Yes.
And
it's a
just
pepino family,
research.
cucumber family.
Yeah, cucumber. Pepino is a cucumber, so it's like a African cucumber.
Yeah.
Grown in the desert in Africa.
Yeah. And outside, you need to be careful because this is like a spino.
Spino.
Yeah, you can hurt yourself.
Spine.
Let's cut.
It looks like a porcupine, an orange porcupine.
Mm.
That's losing his pines.
Let's. No, it's okay.
Yeah, just leave it like that.
Yes.
And just once you cut it, just show the people what it looks like inside. Easy to cut, kind of.
Yes, but not so easy like a cucumber. Oh.
It almost looked like Slimer on Ghostbusters.
Yeah. Look at that, people.
Yeah. Looks good. The color looks good, but the seeds look like cucumber seeds.
Yeah.
What does it smell like?
Go ahead.
Smells interesting. It doesn't stink, but we'll try it. It looks like, you eat it with a spoon.
Yeah, eat it with a spoon.
I'll let you go first. And I'm guessing you're supposed to do the seeds too.
No.
But you know we're going to save some seeds, right?
You know, it's not bad, but it's not good at the same time, you know?
Yeah.
I don't need this.
You don't need it?
No. No. But it's not bad.
Can you do anything to it? Do you think it needs juice or anything?
Yeah,
You can juice it,
probably juice. Or if you mix with salad.
Maybe water?
Yeah.
Oh, salad.
Salad. You put the olive, salt. The taste like watermelon with cucumber.
Okay,
Yes.
That's interesting.
Yes.
What do you give it on a scale of 1 to 10?
4.
The seeds get in the way, definitely.
You cannot separate the seeds from the...
No, you can't. Unless you're going to save them.
And here they say is rich in vitamin. Let me check. Fibers. They help in the digestion
Can't do with the seeds.
process.
Okay, for me, I probably would put that in water and drink it.
Oh, blender?
Yeah. Almost like cucumber and water drink, I guess.
Yeah.
I give it a 5. I wouldn't go buy it again.
No.
I guess it's a fruit. I don't know. Will I finish the whole thing? Out of interest, I probably would finish the whole thing.
Cut in the different way. Look. Yeah, it's very interesting.
I think I've seen it in America before. I don't really remember. But
They say come from desert of Africa.
Yeah. Nah, that's a no for me if I saw it again.
No.
I don't even think I would save the seeds and attempt to grow it. It'd be if I was doing like a farmer's market kind of thing, and I was in the area
It's still.
for desert. I probably would try to grow it myself and then see if anyone would buy it. But other than that, no, I'm good. I'm good.
Yeah, but they say it's good for health,
Yeah, I'm.
prevent the cancer, colon cancer. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, I'm out. I'm done. I'm done. Your weekend gardener, Evie.
Bye, guys.
Peace.